Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how we can change EQ on TOZO T20. In order to change the EQ, of course, we will need to first connect to our smartphone or something similar. So you need to go to Bluetooth and pair your T20 with your smartphone. After that, you will need to download the TOZO app. So you need to go to Play Store or Apple Store or something similar. And then you need to search for this app. You can simply type TOZO in the search and then choose this app over here and install it and then open it. Once you open the app, then you will need to create an account. So once you register, then you have to add TOZO T20 in the app. It's really easy, you just need to follow the instructions. And once you do that, you will see this page over here where you will see the EQ. In order to customize the EQ, you need to go to more sound effects. Over here, first we will see some pre-made patterns or some default EQs that we can apply. And all we need to do is simply tap on one of these options in order to apply the EQ. However, if you do not like any of these, then you can adjust the EQ. So you can you can choose one of these as a preset, and then you can move the circles around in order to readjust the EQ to satisfy your needs. And once you are done, you can save the EQ by pressing this icon, name your EQ, press save, and that's all. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!